Hello, friends. I am Dr. Sudha Pandya. I am here with Trump's new $1 lakh H-1B visa fee and its impact on Indians. So, we will discuss. First, we see what will be the effect, then, we will discuss point wise. So, what is $1 lakh H-1B visa fee? First of all, we must know this proposal would impose a steep fee. The new proposal of Trump will impose a steep fee up to $1 lakh on certain H-1B visa employers, especially those who predominantly hire H-1B workers or are third-party contractors using H-1B visas at client sites. The goal stated by proponents is to discourage low-wage outsourcing and favor higher-skilled U.S. hiring. So, who qualifies as fee payer, thresholds for exemptions, and whether non-profits or universities are excluded or not. So, direct impact on Indian workers. If passed, immediate effect could include fewer new H-1B visas sponsored by cost-sensitive firms, slower hiring, and increased competition for available spots. For current H-1B visa holders, sponsor changes could become riskier. H-1B holders, sponsors changes could become riskier. Companies might raise salaries to justify sponsorship, but many will instead tighten hiring or shift work offshore, meaning fewer opportunities to transition to US roles. So, what will be the employers and industry responses? What might companies do? Some will absorb the cost for critical talent, others will restructure recruitment, and many Indian IT firms could accelerate offshoring and local hiring in the US. The startups and SMBs may pivot to remove talent or alternate visa routes like O1 or L1 when possible. So, what will be the practical steps for Indian? If you are affected, then you have to keep documentation proving your specialized role and wage level. You have to talk to your employer and about contingency plans. Or you have to explore alternatives too. Students should opt for OPT or STEM opt or 01 for extraordinary ability, L1 if you can transfer internally or remote roles. Consult an immigration attorney before making big moves. So, biggest concern is of this move of Trump, which is game changer hiring freezes, salary cuts, or green card delays. So, we will come to the in detail discussion. Donald Trump's new rule imposing $1 lakh annual fee for each H-1B visa is a game changer. Since 70% of H-1B visa holders are Indians, the effects are going to be significant both for Indian workers and Indian economy. Impact on Indian workers. Fewer jobs opportunities. Many U.S. employers may avoid hiring Indians on H-1B visa due to high cost. Risk of current H-1B visa holders. Renewal will also attract the fee, putting pressure on companies to cut jobs or call employees back. Third is shift to high-skill roles. Only Indians in cutting-edge fields like AI, biotech, robotics, or chip design are likely to get visas. Students in the US, Indian students planning to settle via H-1B visa may face uncertainty in career planning. Impact on Indian companies. Higher costs. IT giants like Infosys, TCS, Wipro may struggle to justify on-site H-1B staff. Work relocation. More projects may shift back to India or other low-cost destinations. Local hiring in the US. Firms may force to hire more Americans instead of sending Indians. Impact on India's economy. Brain gain. Skilled talent that once moved to the US may now stay in India, fueling startups and research. Remote work boom. US companies still want Indian skills. Remote jobs from India could rise. Diplomatic concerns. India has stressed H-1B visa benefits both nations. This may create trade and political friction. Winners versus losers. Now we see who are the winners and who are losers. Winners, highly specialized Indian professionals, Indian economy, if startups and innovations absorb talent, remote outsourcing model, and losers, mid-level IT workers aiming for US jobs, Indian IT service firms relying on cheap on-site staff, Indian students hoping for H-1B career pathways. So for India, this would mean short-term pain for IT workers, but a long-term gain if the talent stays home and drives growth. That's all. Thank you.